Good morning, guys. It is 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to We're going to Galaxy's Edge, guys. The first day it opens up. We heard it's already crazy there.
Yeah, so we're gonna get going.
We're gonna get going. So see you there.
4 in the morning.
Yeah. Kyle and me are taking separate cars, but we're gonna park together. It's time to get moving, guys. This is the day we've all been waiting for. What's up? Time to jump around. Guys, if you enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, share, comment down below. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get in there. I don't know what the deal is, but it's gonna be a journey, and I hope you guys enjoy it with me. Let's get going. And we are here. We're going. Hey Kyle, you excited? Oh, Solo 77. Honestly, it doesn't look too packed right now, but I mean, I guess it's pretty packed for 4 a.m. in the morning, huh? Maybe because of all the lights and stuff, but it doesn't feel like it's 4 a.m. in the morning, right? I don't know. I'm good. Kyle, you feeling good?
Feeling great.
Kyle got coffee. I didn't get coffee, but I don't need coffee. Now, here we go. Security check. See you after. Here we are, Disney's Hollywood Studios. It's
What is
time.
going on, everybody? Welcome back to another.
Guys, look at this crowd. It's all the way back to the touch points. This is insane. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Hello! Here's the crowd. It's insane, guys. Look, the entrance is right there. We are right here. And here is the new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Hollywood Studios themed map. Look at this, it's so cool. Whoa.
Welcome, travelers, and thank you for your patience. We are excited you are here today to be among our first guests traveling to Black Spire Outpost for the enjoyment and safety of our guests, and so that as many guests as possible can experience Batuu. Our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Wow! Look at this crowd, guys. It's insane. Wow! It's huge. It's 4:30 in the morning. Guys, this crowd is insane. This is so cool. We're not really in a rush to get in there first. We're just taking this all in right now. This is wild, guys. I hope you're enjoying. I hope you're enjoying to see how crazy and big this really is right now. So we are not going through the center stage. We're going around Echo Lake right now. Hey, you like that terminology? Yeah, I work here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's becoming a free throw.
It's a speed walk marathon.
We have so many people coming on.
So it's a little hard to see, but the entrance is all over there. If you've seen my other videos, you know where the tunnel is. It is completely full, which is wild to think. This is all just people, which is like, look, this Baseline Tap House, my favorite spot. That's wild. So here we are, the new map. I think this might be only for today, but I'll show it to you. Look, see Galaxy's Edge.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh yes, this is definitely a special edition map. Welcome to a galaxy far, far away. Really cool. I'm gonna read all this later. We're going in.
Here we go!
Look at all the cameras coming out.
It is time.
It is insane. See all those lights up there? That's people with the cameras. They're going in. We're going in.
This is like people's Super Bowl. Let's go. Everybody jump! Let's go!
We're excited. Are you there? Muppet Vision! It's open, finally. Are we going in? We're just going in like this? All right.
Yeah, look at everyone's cameras. Here we
Everyone
go,
got
baby.
their cameras out. Yeah!
All the cameras, man.
This is insane. Look at these crowds.
I don't see any.
Kyle said, I'm walking right in. All right, guys, look at this crowd. Hey! This is wild. Oh my God. What's it saying? Shooting stakes, right? Oh my God. We're in. Everyone.
Grand opening.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Yeah.
This is wild, guys.
Yeah.
The trash cans are themed. Bright Suns Travelers, we are here.
Bright suns. Bright suns. Bright suns.
Bright Suns. Kyle, we're here. What do we do?
Film the crowds, baby.
Look at everyone coming in. This is wild. People are just filling in right now. I don't even know what time it is. It's like 5:20, 5:30 in the morning.
Bring it too, baby!
Hey, there we go. Crazy out here, guys. Everyone's going towards the Millennium Falcon, I guess. Here we go. Everyone's coming in. All right, guys. So it is literally 4:55. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and people are getting let in. Yo, what's up? Hey, dude. Everyone's just getting let in right now. Look at all this. This is crazy. Wow. Hey. This is insane. I don't know what to say. People are just coming in. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, guys. People are filling the streets right now. How wild. Crazy. Crazy. Everyone is coming in. Bright suns. Bright suns. Here we are. Welcome. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is amazing. Kyle, how does it feel opening up this park?
I don't know. People keep saying thank you for opening it.
Guys, we are here. This is insane. Look how many people are still coming in. Hey! This is a nice lightsaber. Yeah! Yeah! In 2 minutes, it will be 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Good math.
Yeah. And people are still just coming in. I don't know what we're doing. Hello. This is amazing. I'm having so much fun just standing here watching people come in. Look at this, guys. This crowd's insane. It's been going. They're all going towards the ride, the Millennium Falcon. People are just coming in. This is wild. Look at all this. This is insane. There's room for a second. Ah, we're dancing. Oh man, where'd Kyle go? Kyle, oh there's Kyle. Selfie. And then there's Ray, looking at all of us. She just said hi to Kyle. I'm kind of jealous.
Yeah, I would be.
Hey, do you guys know where Disney is?
It's not
Have you
that
been to
neat,
Disney?
but it's Disney.
No,
What's
it's
Disney?
I-
Are we talking about our knees again? Yeah,
We
it's
love
Disney.
But it's
Guys,
not
talked about
No,
it.
but it's not that neat.
It's
Not
Disney.
that this. Yeah,
We've
that.
talked about this.
I'm sorry.
So here in Batu, they don't know what Disney is. They think it's a knee or something.
Well,
You're
it's our
clearly
knee.
saying a knee, so what else is it?
We've already established that this is our knee.
Oh gosh.
Come on, I'm confused.
These
Are you trying
This
to
knee,
like,
that knee,
No,
knee,
no,
two knee.
no.
I don't know all these knees.
you off-worlders with your terminology?
Here we are at the Black Spire Outpost. I've never seen this place at night. Wow. Look how beautiful this is, and look how full this is. I mean, it's really not that bad. We're moving through. Everyone's selling stuff. This really feels like an outpost now. When I first came here, it was very empty, but here we are. It's live, guys. It's open. We're here. And guys, if you're enjoying, make sure you go down below, like, subscribe, share. Hey, Kyle, come here, real quick. Kyle. And if you haven't already, please go check out Kyle's channel too.
Yeah.
He's covering the same stuff, so you're gonna get cool different angles, different perspectives. So.
Yes.
So guys, if you can see, this all right here is the line for the Millennium Falcon. Remember where we were standing? It goes all the way back. All these people are waiting for the Millennium Falcon. Fortunately, we've been on the ride, so we're not gonna wait today. Look at that. We have stormtroopers making sure there's no rebel spies amongst us or resistance fighters. That is really, really, really cool, guys. Check that out. They're scary. This line is going all the way down and around into Toy Story Land. By the way, this will be the exit right here, guys. It's gonna wrap all the way around, all the way through another part to the Millennium Falcon where the ride is. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's insane. Wow. I've never seen this place that dark. It's insane. The milk is getting served. I need some breakfast. The line is still going. As you see, it wraps around. It's insane. Just ran into some pals. We've known each other for a while. I don't know if you saw them on the vlog way back, but tell them who you are.
Yes, we're the Disney Kremlins. I'm Cody. That's Chase. Already got his blue milk.
Oh yeah.
Trying to figure out if it's worth it to wait the 200 minutes.
It's 200 minutes right now.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
It's crazy.
That's insane. Well, I mean, hey, you got to do it. You got to do it.
Oh yeah. Like you said, the line's never gonna get shorter, right?
Exactly.
So.
The line's not gonna get shorter. You're here. You got your milk. How's the milk?
Milk's good.
Good to hear. Good to
Nothing
hear.
like a good milk for breakfast.
That's what I'm saying. I need breakfast. I haven't done anything yet. Well, hey,
Cereal?
their channel will be
Yes.
down below.
Go check us
it
out, guys.
Amazing. And there is Olga's Cantina. It is insane out here, guys. Wow. Here is the ride, Smuggler's Run, the Millennium Falcon. Look at these lines. I can't even keep up with what's going on. This place looks so much different than it did when we were here for the preview. It is packed, guys. Wow, it feels insane. I don't even feel like I'm here right now. Like, this is not Disney right now. See that right there, guys? Wait time, 300 minutes. Oh look, they're getting interviewed. I want to get interviewed. I think they're asking people about the ride after, so that's really cool. Standby time is 300 minutes. Insane out here. Oh my gosh.
The amount of people here.
It's insane. We are surprised we even found this little hidden gem. This is
Yeah.
right behind Cargo 7.
Nobody wants to eat right now, JoJo.
Right.
It's like 6 of them. Is it even 6 yet?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's like 5:55.
5:45.
Oh, I was close. 10 minutes off. But yeah, guys, we are behind Cargo 7 right now. Nice little place to chill. How you doing?
Imagine if we came here at 6, like when we thought we were.
We would have not gone in.
Yeah, we would have missed out.
But I'm happy that we're
we
here.
woke up, honestly.
I'm happy that we're here. It's insane that we're actually here. So, yeah. Oh, even on Batu, we are always making friends out here. Hey, how you doing? What's your name?
Sierra,
Where are you from?
Virginia.
Oh, cool. So you're on vacation right now.
Yeah,
You having a good time?
yeah.
Are you gonna wait in line for the Millennium Falcon?
Already went on it. I've been here since 3:30.
3:30?
Actually, no, sorry, 4. I got up at 3:30.
Really? Wait, what time did you get up?
3:30.
Wow, that's insane. And then you went on the ride. Did you like it? That's amazing.
I was the gunner.
Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed your time here at
Thank
Batu.
you.
Awesome. Even more friends out here in Batu. What is up?
Hey.
So this is really funny because she's actually from my home. What's your name? Tell the vlog.
My name's AJ, and I'm from New Jersey, yeah.
Hey, she came up to me. She's like, hey, yeah, I know your sister. I've been in your house a couple times. I'm like, word. Are you having a good time?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Amazing. This is the fam out here. How you guys doing? We're having Bright Suns travelers. Bright Suns. So we see right here the Saka's kettle. This is the end of the line right here. And then that's the line going over to the left.
Simon, he's my Kowakian monkey lizard. They're a species of reptile mammal from the planet Kowak. They're energetic, they love the attention, and they can be a bit mischievous. But once you do bond, they are friends for life. He's been very well behaved.
Yeah, he
Wow. Excuse me, Ray. I don't need to take a picture or anything. I just wanted to ask you, where are we right now? We're in Batu. I don't know how I got here. It's really dark.
Your first time here.
It is. Where should I go? I don't even know. I don't even know where this is.
I want to head that way, but soon the sun will rise. There's 2 of them.
There's 2 suns here?
Very bright.
Very bright. Bright sun. Oh, that's why they say bright suns then, huh? So, we found a friend out here.
Very fierce, too.
Ignite, what is it? Ignite the...
Ignite the spark, light the fire.
Ignite the spark, light the
Let's
fire.
try it together. I'll say ignite the spark, you say light the fire. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ignite the spark.
Light the fire!
Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
I knew I could trust you guys.
Yeah,
So
we
you're
got
part
you.
of the resistance?
Yeah,
I
we
see.
actually ran into Ray earlier.
Oh, did
We
you
did,
not?
yeah.
She
Great.
is my good friend.
She's great.
She
Yeah.
is my good friend. Yes, absolutely.
She might have thought it was a little silly because I saw her
Silly?
right when we
She's like
arrived.
one of the pilots.
We didn't know. Oh yeah.
I can see here.
Yeah.
So you're a pilot.
I am a pilot.
Do you know my friend Chewbacca then?
I do. I've been on the Millennium Falcon.
Oh, you have?
I have. Crazy night.
And how was that?
It was life changing. It's crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
life-changing.
I want to be able to pilot too, because now that I have my pilot license.
Right, I can see.
You know. Yeah.
All right,
beautiful.
This is amazing. Look at her teeth. We're
Wow.
so hot.
Hey, they're really not this white.
All right, guys. So it is 6 a.m. right now, and it's still dark outside. We want to show you more of the crowds and everything that's going on here.
It's crazy.
So next time you see us, it's gonna be daytime.
Yeah.
You ready to go to daytime?
Heck yeah, I am. Snap your fingers.
Let's go.
Do it yourself.
And we're back. Bright suns, everyone. It's morning now. The sun is out and we are ready to go exploring more and showing you more of these amazing crowds. This line is still here. It's insane. And as you're coming in, guys, this will be the future entrance for Rise of the Resistance. This will be coming out December 5th, which is Walt Disney's birthday, actually. And we are getting it here first in Disney World. So I will definitely be covering this with Kyle and other pals. Apparently this is like the flight of passage of Galaxy's Edge. Who knows what's in there? I heard a little bit, you know, after the preview. Apparently there's like 50 stormtroopers in there already. So very excited for that. Very, very excited. Wow.
What's up?
How did you end up in Batu?
I started very early, or very late, depending on which day
So
you were
looking at
in.
it?
Yeah. But it was fun. It was fun. Came in here with all the crazies early, and you just like walked in just now, didn't you?
No, we've been here. We were just walking around. Kyle did the time lapse.
Got it. Yeah, it was a lot of people. There was a lot of people, and but it was cool.
Hey man,
It's good to see you.
good seeing you. Get
Have a
some
good
sleep.
one.
The sun is up and Chewie is out.
Bright suns. Welcome to the Black Spire Outpost.
Hey, it's back and now it's in daylight. It looks amazing. Thank you so much. This is crazy. Now you saw it at nighttime, now you get to see it bright and early in the morning. This is so cool, guys. We love this. Guys, if you're enjoying, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and share this video. Go tell your mom or dad or grandma, like, yo, we gotta go to Galaxy's Edge. I saw JoJo's video. Check this out. So guys, here are the crowds going everywhere. I mean, they're doing a good job at flowing the traffic, but yeah, it was wild. And oh my gosh, how'd you get to Batu?
I don't know. I don't even remember how I got here, honestly. I haven't had no sleep, but it's definitely worth it.
It's been a long
Yeah.
day. Oh my God, you're at Batu too. How you doing, brother?
Good.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Good, good.
Like a walk on rock roller coaster. Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, Slinky Dog's apparently a walk-on. Toy Story Land's right
It's
over
at the
there.
203.
But
They made it to 12.
so you have a good day?
I had a good day, man.
Yeah.
I'm seeing you guys later. Food
Yeah,
and wine.
Food and Wine.
Is it the same vlog, or is it gonna be two different?
Different
vlogs?
vlog.
Well, I'll see you
Keep up
guys in
with that.
tomorrow's vlog. How about
Hey,
that?
there we go. Yeah.
Hey,
Kyle will be there too.
we're here.
No, we'll
Oh,
be
this is
there.
crazy.
We'll be
It's
there.
Deb
Yeah.
and Kyle.
We're finally all together.
All pals.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, here we go. Oh, they're checking people for milk.
Curious. Keep it in line, or we'll take it in for scanning.
Oh, we don't want that. Oh, they're asking for ID.
Tell us what you're doing on Batu.
Poor people just wanting milk.
Get some milk.
Just trying to get some milk.
Us too. Nice try, traveler. We're watching you.
The milk line started back there. It's coming all the way up here. All the way up here. Here's the milk stand. So the milk stand's definitely the shortest line, but it's definitely a long line. These crowds are pretty wild on the first day. I know where the resistance are hiding. No, I can show you. I can show you. I'm definitely not a resistance member or anything. I can show you where they are.
Looks like you're not the last Jedi.
Oh! I just got burned! So, standby is at least 300 minutes, and we went to single rider. It's about an hour, so it's a long way in there.
Experienced pilot as I am, you know, I just thought they would let me on, but they didn't.
Right,
kinda
right. With all that
disappointing.
experience that you
Yeah,
have, all
you know,
that knowledge.
They didn't crash or anything. It's great.
Didn't crash or anything, thank goodness.
You sound
Hello again.
stormtrooper.
Went to the data pad.
Yeah.
Hello data pad. I hope this information doesn't go to the first quarter because your friend here is a little bit iffy. But I'm choosing to trust you guys.
Thank you so
Hey,
much.
ignite the spark.
We got it.
Stay safe out there. We're here with Resort TV. How you guys doing today?
We are good.
They
Tired.
are
We're
live
good.
streaming right now. But too,
Whoa.
look at this.
Whoa!
Go subscribe, guys. And hello, chat. If you don't know me, my name's JoJo.
JoJo.
I have a channel, JoJo's World. If you
Almost
want,
to 10K.
Almost at 10K.
We're almost to 70K, so we're gonna hit it.
That's crazy.
7K today.
Oh, Randy and Dave.
I know you.
Always making friends out here. What's your name, man?
Julio.
And he came up to me and said, hey, I know you're watching, so thanks so much
Absolutely,
for
we're
watching.
big fans of the channel.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my God, and I love the shirts.
Yep.
Y'all killing the game out
All
here.
the way from South Florida.
Wow. All the way from South Florida. And here is breakfast from now until 10 a.m. They got the Tugs Morning Oats, Bright Sun's Morning, and Mustafar Lava Roll, which sounds kind of good. I think I'm gonna get the Bright Sun's Morning. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Of course. Inspires keep you.
Thank you so much. So there is a cinnamon roll in here. The sausage is delicious and the egg is great. This is a really good meal. So these lines are not getting any shorter. There's still a extended queue going around the park to the point that they actually have the backstage open for guests to traverse through. The planning is very well done though.
So many people here. It's really cool to see how many people are here because yeah, I don't know the next time I'm gonna see this other than
Exactly.
Because opening day. It's opening day.
Opening day is cool. It's wild. Always making new friends here. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Yo, Alec, what's good? Where are you from?
I'm from Orlando,
Oh,
Florida.
dope. And you're a season pass holder, yeah?
I am a season pass
And this is your
holder.
first time here?
This is my first
Oh
time
my God, you
here.
having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
That's amazing. All right, tell the vlog, what's one thing you'd recommend them to do when they're here?
The one thing I recommend
Yeah.
is get the milk. It's actually pretty good.
Good. We'll definitely have to try it.
Both. I love both.
Both. There we go. All right, well, hey, so nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you guys too.
So, luckily enough, we ran into some friends. Randy and Dave and all of them. Resort TV 1 over here.
This is DJ Rex coming to you live from the cockpit of Olga's Cantina.
DJ Rex is killing the game right now. Alright, cheers to a bunch of good friends and content creators. And,
You're saying your Cola team, alright?
yeah, cheers. Cheers.
Oh my God. Cheers, brother.
And it begins. It's a really good drink though, right?
It is good. Is it orange juice in a way?
Yeah.
It's like orange juice.
Very citrusy. Cheers. Even in Olga's Cantina, we're making new friends. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Good? What's your names?
Olivia.
Oh my God, so nice to meet you. And you're from New Jersey, right? They're a little nervous. They recognize me from TikTok, so I had to come say hi. I love the ears, guys. They're fabulous. You're killing it. You're gonna have a good day, right? Oh my God, Minnie Mouse. Do you like Minnie? Oh my God, Minnie's my favorite. You guys have a good day, okay? High five. She's like, oh my God. So I just realized it's only 9:23 in the morning, and here I am having a drink. But we've been up for so long, it's like lunchtime for us. So the power's down. How are you doing?
What's up, guys?
Yo, let them know your YouTube, your name, everything.
Well, my name's Corey Fiasco. You can find me on YouTube just like that, Corey Fiasco. And you can also find me on the Dis Unplugged.
Amazing. Are you having a good day so far?
Yeah, how about you, man?
Amazing. I mean, I got to come to Olga's. It's insane. It's literally a good time.
What'd you order, man?
I got the fuzzy tauntaun. You gotta try that. It makes your mouth.
That's the poisoned one. That's the one that's like, oh, you must go to poison batch.
Yeah. Well, hey, nice meeting you, man. We'll see you on the other side.
Yeah, man. Till the spire.
Till the spire, back on Earth.
Spire.
These crowds are insane, guys. But it's been a good day. Olga's was amazing. We ran into so many friends. Now, when you do come here, be prepared for lines, especially. But that's like understandable. It's literally the first day of Galaxy's Edge being open, so I don't blame anyone for coming here. People are waiting. It's amazing, guys. Wait a second. Kylo Ren is just walking around. Oh my God. Hello, Kylo.
Now move aside.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
Move aside, travelers.
I did not know Kylo walked around. What?
Too much, honestly.
All right, guys. With all that being said, Batu's been wild. We're going back to our planet Earth.
I'll be here. Don't worry. I'm always recruiting people. They're going back.
They're going back, but we'll be back.
Yes. I have a lot of work to do here, but these two young gentlemen, this pilot here and the one that I'm still learning to trust.
True.
Well, now.
And with that being said, guys,
Yes.
every day is a blessed day to be alive, and we will see you in the next one.
It's really nice. Bright suns.
Bright suns, guys. Peace.
Bright suns.